Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. It is still hot outside, so that means I'm still making cool things, so it's time for another salad. Now, just because it's hot outside doesn't mean I want to give up my cooler weather foods. So today I'm pairing a favorite of mine with a summer salad. I'm talking about making a pierogi salad. Now there are a million ways to make a pierogi salad. A BLT version, an Italian version, you name it. But I'm just making a nice cool one with leftover stuff that I have to make it a nice summer salad with mini pierogis. You can make your own mini pierogis, or in this case I'm using a good Pennsylvania product, Mrs. T's Pierogis, made down at Shenandoah. And if you want some good local pierogis, Fisher's in Shamokin has good pierogis, and they're like a meal. They're something else. They're really good. Of course, homemade is always wonderful. And if you want to actually have them be served to you, believe it or not, up in Bloomsburg is a place called Brewski's. And besides having the brews and coffees and whatnot, they also have one of their owners is a nice Polish girl who makes really good pierogis and good Polish food. So, and it's often on the menu, and it's a good place if you want to get served pierogis locally to go to. So, that being said, let's make some pierogi salad. It's quick, it's easy, and it combines cool yumminess with pierogi goodness. Okay, so obviously you need pierogis. Mrs. T's mini pierogis, mayo, sour cream. I'm using some green peas, some leftover corn on the cob, onion, and apple cider vinegar, dill weed, Dijon mustard, and a touch of sugar. We're going to mix those ingredients together and then toss in our pierogis. First we'll add in our sour cream. Then we'll add in our mayo, and the recipe is in the description below the video as always. That was our sugar, our little bit of Dijon, dill weed, fresh dill's even better if you have it, our apple cider vinegar. Let's give this a whisk. Add in our diced chopped onion, sweet corn off the cob, and some peas. Once again, this is a totally customizable thing. You can add all kinds of things to it. I had these things on hand and thought they sounded good, and so that's what I made. We'll throw in our pierogis and give them a toss. And if you want to let this sit for like half an hour, let the flavors go through it, it really sets it up for success. I mean, they taste good this way, but they taste even better that way. So, you know what comes next. So we have my pierogi salad here with peas and a little bit of corn and onion and other good stuff, so you know what time it is. There's no bad way to eat pierogis, I'm just saying, no bad way. So good. So another simple, you saw it took nothing to whip these together. Totally delicious. Like I said, you can add bacon, you can add pepperoni, you can add different cheeses, you know, all kinds of stuff to make it Italian themed or BLT themed or however themed you want to be. But this was just a leftover in my fridge. Toss it in and make a summer salad out of it. So there you go. Summer pierogi salad.